If R is equal, if R is equal to xi plus yj plus zk. R is equal to xi plus yj plus zk and R not equal to 0. Then show that then show that del dot R by R square. R by R square is equal to 1 by R square. 1 by R square. And next, grad of divergence of R by R is equal to minus 2R by R cube. Minus 2R by R cube. Okay. So here it is. What is the information they gave in the problem? If you see that capital R they gave. So obviously you need to know that magnitude as well as dou R by dou X, dou R by dou Y, all those things you need to remember, right? So given that R is equal to Xi plus Yj plus Zk. So this is nothing but capital R. And now magnitude of this one, there is nothing but small r is equal to modulus of capital R, or simply you can write R bar. So this is equal to square root of x square plus y square plus z square. So this is nothing but Rm. And from this squaring on both sides, simply what we'll get, R square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square. So differentiating R partially with respect to x, y, and z partially, then simply what we'll get, dou R by dou X is equal to x by R, dou R by dou Y is equal to y by R, and dou R by dou Z is equal to z by R. So this is information already we know that whenever if we have R in the problem itself, you need to remember these all points, right? Now coming to this first problem, R by R square m. So that is nothing but simply what we can write, R by R square is equal. So capital R is nothing but what we know that xi plus yj, of course capital letters they give, xi plus yj plus zk by R square. R square. So simply if you want, you can write this in place of R square as x square plus y square plus z square and then continue, or directly also you can choose. Now, so what is the problem they gave here? So del dot R by R square is equal. Del dot R by R square is equal. So del is nothing but simply what we can say that I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z. So this is nothing but del m k dou by dou z dot R by R square m. So that is nothing but if you split this one, simply what we'll get, x by R square into I plus y by R square into j plus z by k square R square into k. And here it is, we are going to apply dot product between these two vectors. So it is nothing but I dot I, j dot j, and k dot k equal to 1, and rest of all the cases the value become 0. And here it is, we need to multiply the coefficients of I. So what is the coefficient of I in first one? Dou by dou x, and second one x by R square. And coming to same thing, so dou by dou y of y by R square. And next dou by dou z of z by R square. So here it is also same thing. If you want, you can write the summation for this and then you can simplify, or directly also you can simplify that one. So del dot R by R square is equal. So simply summation, I'm going to write the dou by dou x of x by R square. x by r square. So this is equal summation. So here it is having, so you can apply partial derivative with respect to x sum. So there it is, which is in the form of u by v. So if you want, you can bring this one into numerator and then you can apply uv formula, or directly u by v you can apply. So u by v is nothing but v u dash dou by dou x of x minus x into dou by dou x of r square by v square. So that is nothing but r square whole square. So this is equal summation r square into, so dou by dou x of x is nothing but 1 minus x into the derivative of this one, r square derivative is nothing but 2r, since r is a function in terms of x, y and z, into the derivative of r is nothing but dou r by dou x whole thing by r square a power m whole power n, that is nothing but simply we can write a power mn, that is r power 4. And now you can split this one. If you split this one, what will get? R square by r power 4 minus 2xr by r power 4 into dou r by dou x sum. That is nothing but x by r, right? So this is x by r. Here it is having, if you observe that summation, here it is simply we'll get it as r square and 2 cancel here, then 1 by r square minus, here it is having r both will cancel, and then simply what will get, x into x is nothing but x square. So 2x square by r power 4. So if you apply with respect to x, we got this derivative, right? So this is the one we got it after applying partial derivative with respect to x. Now you can expand this summation. If you expand the summation with respect to y, means first as this, right, x what we got it minus 2x square by r power 4 plus, again what we'll get with respect to y means same 1 by r square we'll get, and minus 2y square by r power 4 plus, with respect to z means 1 by r square minus 2z square by r power 4, right? So this is the one you will get it if you do it this one as it is without writing summation. Now here it is, if you observe that 1 by r square, so 1 by r square if you take common, what about that? 1 plus 1 plus 1. And next here it is having, which one is the common one? Minus 2 by r power 4 is the common one. Then what is the, what about remaining one? X square plus y square plus z square. And now, so del dot r bar by, so r by r square is equal, r by r square is equal, so 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is nothing but 3 by r square minus 2 by r power 4 into, so this is nothing but, here it is already we wrote here, see here r square is equal to what? X square plus y square plus z square. So it means simply what we can write here, it is having into r square. So here it is r square, and here it is 2 times cancel, and then what we'll get? 3 by r square minus 2 by r square. So take LCM, here it is having r square is the LCM, 3 minus 2, so this is equal 1. So 1 by r square. So what they asked to prove. So don't try to by heart it, just you need to understand the concept. There it is, we applied only dot product between two vectors. One is del and another one is r by r square. So you can do like this, or simply if you want, you can write in place of r square as directly x square plus y square plus z square, and then you can proceed as usual. Okay. And previous problem also, morning class, what we discussed, divergence, there it is also, without substituting also we can do it directly by taking r. Okay. So second one, we need to show that grad of divergence r by r. Divergence r by r is equal to minus 2r by r cube, right? This one we need to prove now. Same like that, right? So here it is having, first we can calculate divergence of r by r. So divergence of r by r is equal. So divergence is nothing but simply what we can say that del dot, right? Del dot r by rm. So that is nothing but del dot r by r. So r is nothing but what they mentioned, xi plus yj plus zk. Xi plus yj plus zk by rm. And now here it is having del is nothing but, already we know that del is nothing but I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z. K dou by dou z into dot. So just we can split that one, x by r I plus y by r j plus z by r k. Z by r km. So now dot product between these two vectors, that is nothing but simply what we'll get, dou by dou x of x by r plus dou by dou y of y by r, j coefficients, and next dou by dou z of z by r, dou by dou z of z by r. So this is equal, this is also simply you can write summation notation, dou by dou x of x by r, or if you continue same by taking every term. So dou by dou x of this and calculating this and calculating this. So here it is having. So again, if you observe that this is again in the form of u by v. So apply u by v formula. Here it is having v into u dash is nothing but dou by dou x of x minus x into dou r by dou x by v square is nothing but r square. So this is equal summation. You can split the terms r by r square, since dou by dou x of x is 1 minus x into dou r by dou x is nothing but, already we wrote, that is nothing but x by r. So this is equal, simply what we got it, divergence r by r is equal. Here it is having summation r by r square is nothing but 1 by r, and x into x is nothing but x square by r. So this is only for derivative with respect to xm. You can expand this summation. If you expand this summation, what will get? 1 by r minus x by x square by r. And next with respect to y, if you do that, same we'll get it as 1 by r minus y square by r. And with respect to z, 1 by r minus z square by r. Okay, so this is equal 1 by r plus 1 by r plus 1 by r. This is nothing but simply 3 by r minus, and remaining terms 1 by r is the common one. If you take that one as common, simply what we'll get, x square plus y square plus z square. So this is nothing but simply what we'll get, 3 by r minus 1 by r into. So this is simply x square plus y square plus z square is nothing but r square. So this is equal 3 by r minus, here it is having cancel, and then we'll get it as this 3 by r minus r. So this is only for divergence of r by r. But what they asked to calculate, grad of divergence of r by r. So this is grad of divergence of r by r. So grad is nothing but, again what we know, that grad is nothing but del m. So del into 3 by r minus r. So this one we got it. So this is equal, so del is nothing but what we know, that I dou by dou x, I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z into 3 by r minus r, 3 by r minus r. Now you can multiply this one instead of the terms. Then what will get, I into dou by dou x of 3 by r minus r. Next plus j into dou by dou y, dou y, dou y of 3 by r minus r plus k into dou by dou z of 3 by r minus r. Okay, so this is equal to, here it is having, so I into, with respect to xm, so 3 constant as this, 1 by r derivative is nothing but minus 1 by r square minus dou r by dou x, right? Dou r by dou x. plus j into same like that with respect to y 3 into 1 by r derivatives minus 1 by r square minus dou r by dou y plus k into dou by dou z of this 3 into minus 1 by r square minus dou r by dou z. So this is equal simply what we'll get I into. So here it is having minus 3 by r square and dou r by dou x is nothing but what? X by r, right? X by r and next one plus j into minus 3 by r square minus x by r plus k into here also same thing minus 3 by r square and minus this is z by r. Z by r. So here it is having simply what we'll get it. This is nothing but I into 1 minute. See here. So here it is having 3 by r derivative is nothing but minus 3 by r square into dou r by dou x. Dou r by dou x minus and r derivative is nothing but dou r by dou x plus j into same like this. So minus 3 by r square into dou r by dou y minus dou r by dou y plus k into here it is minus 3 by r square dou r by dou z into minus dou r by dou z. So this is equal to here it is having see once again here it is having u by v formula we applied this u by v formula is right and next week here it is having r into the derivative of x is 1m by r square minus here it is having x as it is and dou r by dou x is nothing but x by r whole by r square m. We forgot this whole by r square and 1 by r square is nothing but 1 by r and next x into x is nothing but x square by r cube. So here r and here r square r cube and this is the derivative only for x. Now we are going to apply derivative for y as well as z. Just we are expanding the summation. This is the derivative for x and if you apply derivative for y simply we get as it is this one in place of x we'll get it as y and next with respect to z means we'll get 1 by r as it is and in place of y as z will get and 1 by r plus 1 by r plus 1 by r is nothing but 3 by r and next minus 1 by r cube is the common one. If you take that one as common we'll get it as x square plus y square plus z square and then 3 by r minus r square by r cube now. So this is nothing but 3 by r minus 1 by r 2 by r and now so now come to what they asked grad of divergence r by r. So this is equal grad is nothing but del and this is nothing but divergence r by r is nothing but what we got it 2 by r. So this is equal del is nothing but already we know that I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z plus k dou by dou z into 2 by r 2 by rm. So this is equal I same you can multiply this one and simply you can write summation I into dou by dou x of 2 by r. So which is equal summation I into so 2 is a constant you can write outside and dou by dou x of 1 by rm. So already we wrote here see here dou by dou x of 1 by r is nothing but okay. So what we got it summation I into 2 into minus x by r cube, minus x by r cube. This is the one. And now you can expand this summation. If you expand this summation, so what we'll get? I into minus 2 x by r cube, and next plus j into minus 2y by r cube plus k into minus 2z by r cube, minus 2z by r cube. So in each and every term, which one is the common one? 1 by r cube as well as minus 2 is also common. If you write that one outside, what about remaining? Xi plus yj plus zk. So this is nothing but minus 2 into xi plus yz plus zk is nothing but capital R by r. This is okay. If u is equal, if u is equal x square plus y square plus z square, u is equal x square plus y square plus z square, and v is equal, capital V is equal xi plus yj plus zk. Then find divergence of uv, divergence of uvm. So this is the one. Okay, so it's simple. So concept, if you remember, then easily you can solve it the problem. So here it is having what they mentioned. So given that u is equal, given that u is equal x square plus y square plus z square, and b is equal xi plus yj plus zk. Okay, and next divergence of uv they ask. So uv is nothing but uv. First we can multiply these two. U is nothing but here it is having x square plus y square plus z square into xi plus yj plus zk plus zkm. So this is equal. So this is simply, if you multiply this one, what will get? X into x square plus y square plus z square into I plus y into x square plus y square plus z square into j plus z square into z into x square plus y square plus z square into km. This is uv. Now we need to find divergence of uv, right? So divergence of uv is equal, divergence of uv is nothing but, in symbolic notation, what we can write? Del dot uv. So del is nothing but, already we know that, I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z, k dou by dou z dot uvm. So uv is nothing but what we got it. You need to write that complete one, right? X into x square plus y square plus z square into I plus y into x square plus y square plus z square into j plus k into x square plus y square plus z square into k. So into z. Here it is having z. And now, so apply dot product. So dot product is nothing but simply dou by dou x of x into x square plus y square plus z square plus dou by dou y of y into x square plus y square plus z square. And next one plus dou by dou z of z into x square plus y square plus z square. Okay, so this is equal. It takes a lot of time for taking entire one. So first simply I'm going to write summation. So summation dou by dou x of x into x square plus y square plus z square. Okay. So here it is. If you observe this, this is in the form of two functions. Product rule we can apply. This is nothing but u and this is nothing but vm. And simply what we can write. So u into v dash m. So x square derivative is nothing but simply what we can write 2x and rest of the term becomes 0 plus, and this is as it is, x square plus y square plus z square, and the derivative of x is nothing but here it is having 1, right? U v dash plus v u dash. So it means simply what we got it here, it is having summation 2x square plus x square plus y square plus z square, right? This one we got it. Okay, no. So it means simply here it is having, if we add this one also, simply what we'll get. So 3x square plus y square plus z square. Okay. And now if you expand this summation, so divergence of UV is equal. So here it is having first with respect to x means what we got it, 3x square plus y square plus z square. And next, same if you apply with respect to y now. So with respect to y, if you apply that, what we'll get? So here it is having x square plus 3y square plus z square, right? And next, here it is having next one is with respect to z is nothing but simply what we'll get, x square plus y square plus 3z square. So this is equal. If we add all these things, simply what we'll get, 3x square plus x square plus x square. So that is nothing but 5x square. And next plus y square plus 3y square plus y square. That is nothing but 5y square. And next this is nothing but z square plus z square plus 3z square. That is nothing but 5z square. So it is equal. Simply here it is having what we can write. So 5 is the common one. If you take that one as common, x square plus y square plus z square. Okay. So it is equal to 5 into. So x square plus y square plus z square means what they gave in the problem, So that is nothing but simply what we can write, u. So this is divergence of UV is equal 5u. Okay. If V is equal, if V is equal xi plus yj plus zk whole by square root of x square plus y square plus z square, then find divergence V. Divergence Vm. So this is of course already we calculated. This is not a new one. If you convert it into R, did you solve this one or not? You convert it into R. So V is nothing but capital R by small r. And then divergence of V is nothing but 2 by R you people will get. Previous one what we saw. Think. Here it is. Divergence of R by R. Is this right or wrong? Same question or not? Same question or is there any difference? See here, divergence of 2 by R. So divergence of R by R. So this is nothing but, can you write del dot R is nothing but what we are choosing, xi plus yj plus zk. Y. So R is nothing but simply what we are writing, square root of x square plus y square plus z square. Same as is this one or not? Is it necessary to calculate again? Same this question, divergence of nothing but r by rm. So divergence of r by r is nothing but what we got it, 2 by r, right? So this is nothing but 2 by r is nothing but they asked square root of x square plus y square plus z square. So this is only they asked. Okay. See, same question how they asked. So there it is having directly r by r they give, and here capital R is nothing but xi plus yz plus zk, and r is nothing but square root of x square plus y square plus z square. Same like that. Same question they may ask in different ways. Okay. Next. Same morning what we discussed one problem. So this is also you can solve it directly by taking r. We chosen as x, y, z, all those things, right? So here it is having. So prove that divergence of r power n into r is equal. So we proved that n plus 3 into r power n, right? N plus 3 into r power n. So we chosen r is nothing but x square plus y square plus z square, and then we calculated, but not necessary all those things taken. So directly by taking r also you can calculate it. So let us see that. So already we know that capital R is nothing but simply what we are choosing, xi plus yz plus zk, and magnitude. So this is r is equal mod r is equal simply what we are writing, square root of x square plus y square plus z square, and then r square is equal simply what we can write, x square plus y square plus z square, and by applying partial derivatives of r with respect to x is nothing but we'll get it as x by r, and with respect to y is nothing but y by r, and with respect to z is nothing but z by r, right? Dou r by dou z is equal z by r. This complete information you need to write every time. So whenever if you have r in the problem. And now coming to this. So r power n rm. So r power n r is nothing but. So r power n into. So r is simply what we are saying, xi plus yz plus zk. So if you multiply this x r power n instead of the terms, r power n into xi plus r power n into yz plus r power n into zk. Now divergence of r power n r is equal. Divergence of r power n r is equal. So divergence is nothing but we already know that del dot, and r power n r bar is nothing but what we got it, r power n into xi plus r power n yz plus r power n zk. And here it is del dot is nothing but simply what we can write. Here it is I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z plus k dou by dou z dot this one r power n x I plus r power n y z plus r power n z k. So if you apply dot product here, it is having simply what we'll get, I coefficient is dou by dou x, and here it is having r power n into x plus dou by dou y of r power n into y plus dou by dou z of r power n into z. And you can calculate the entire part, or simply you can apply the summation dou by dou x of r power n into x sum. So here it is, if you observe this product rule we can apply. So this one you can choose as u, and this is v. Summation r power n is nothing but as this, and the derivative of x is nothing but 1 uv dash plus vu dash. So x into dou by dou x of r power n. So this is equal summation r power n plus x into. So r power n derivative is nothing but n into r power n minus 1, and the derivative of r is nothing but dou r by dou x. So this is equal summation r power n plus n x into r power n minus 1, and dou r by dou x is nothing but x by r, right? Here already we wrote, see here. And now summation r power n plus n into x into nothing but x square, right? N x square r power n minus 1, and 1 by r is nothing but we can write it as r power minus 1 r. So this is equal summation r power n plus n x square into r power n minus 2. This one we got it by applying with respect to xm. Now you can apply this one with respect to y and with respect to z. Just to expand the summation, then what we'll get? R power n plus n x square r power n minus 2 plus with respect to y means r power n plus n into y square r power n minus 2 plus with respect to z means r power n plus n into z square r power n minus 2. So this is the one we got it. So this is equal. So r power n plus r power n plus r power n 3 r power n plus here it is which one is the common one? N r power n minus 2 is the common one. So if you take that one as common, what about remaining? X square plus y square plus z square. So this is equal 3 r power n plus n r power n minus 2 into. So this is nothing but in terms of r is simply we write r square, right? So this is equal 3 r power n plus n into, here it is having r power n minus 2 plus 2. 2 to both will cancel, we'll get as r power n. So which one is the common one? R power n is the common one. Simply you can. What it is or not? Same this problem morning we solved, but there it is we substituted in place of r as root of this one and whole power n by 2. Takes a lot of time. So just by doing like this, easily you can get it. Okay. So you can use that one or this one, nothing will wrong, but it takes a lot of time. That one takes a lot of time, and this one easily you can get it. And very, very important problem once, and I'm saying that. So max number of times they ask, if you see that previous papers also.